In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fill Form 15G for PF withdrawal. If you are submitting Form 15G and if you are withdrawing your EPF amount from 1 April 2025 to 31st March 2026, then you can follow this video and you can copy all the years mentioned in this video on your Form 15G. Form 15G is required when your total EPF amount is above 50,000 rupees. It includes both employee plus employer share. If it is above 50,000 rupees, then you have to submit Form 15G. Otherwise, 10% TDS will be deducted from your EPF amount. If PAN number is also not linked to your EPF account, then 34.608% tax will be deducted. In most of the cases, EPF will reject your claim instead of deducting the TDS and ask you to resubmit the PF withdrawal request along with the Form 15G. I will give the download link of this Form 15G in the below video description. Just click on that link and you can download the Form 15G in the PDF format. After downloading the Form 15G, write it with a pen and you have to fill only the part 1 and there is no need to fill the part 2. But you have to upload both pages after scanning. And Form 15G is not required for the pension withdrawal. It is required only for the PF amount. That means whenever you are submitting Form 19, then only you have to upload Form 15G. For pension withdrawal, that means for Form 10C, you don't need to submit Form 15G and you will not see any option for that as well. For better visibility, I have filled this Form 15G in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Let's see how to fill each field of the Form 15G. In field number 1, write your field name as per your EPF account. In field number 2, write your PAN number. In field number 3, write status as individual. In field number 4, write previous year as 2025 to 2026. Previous year means the financial year. Right now we are in the financial year of 2025 to 2026. In field number 5, write residential status as Indian. From field number 6 to field number 13, write your contact information. That means your address details. The address should not need to match with your address in the EPF account. You can write any address at which you are residing right now. In field number 14, write your mobile number. In field number 15, if you have filed any income tax returns in the current financial year, tick yes. If you tick yes, then you have to write the assessment year as well in the field B. Otherwise, just tick no. If you haven't filed any income tax returns, then tick no. In field number 16, mention your EPF amount that you are withdrawing. It is employee plus employer share. You can find this amount in your EPF passbook. In field number 17, you have to add your EPF amount to your estimated total annual income. Here the annual income means your salary plus any other income sources. For example, if your estimated salary is 2 lakh rupees and for the 2 lakhs you have to add this 75,000 rupees so that it will become 2,75,000 rupees. And remember this, if your estimated total income that you are writing in the field number 17 is above the net taxable slab limit, then you have to file income tax returns. For example, if you are filing income tax returns as per the old tax regime, then the limit is 2,50,000 rupees. If you are filing income tax returns as per the new tax regime, it is 12 lakhs. Up to 12 lakhs, you can submit Form 15G, and if it is above 12 lakhs, you have to file income tax returns. So based upon your income, you have to decide whether to go for the new tax regime or old tax regime. And I recommend you to withdraw your EPF amount whenever you become jobless and don't have any income source. In that case, you can write whatever the EPF amount that you are withdrawing and you don't need to deal with any income tax returns. Or you can also transfer your EPF amount to the new job whenever you join, or in case of any emergency, it is better to withdraw the EPF advance amount. In field number 18, if you have submitted any Form 15Gs for other income sources like fixed deposits or dividends, then you have to mention those details. Under total number of Form 15Gs, write how many Form 15Gs, whether it is 1 or 2, you have to write it here. And under aggregate amount, you have to mention the total amount for which you have submitted the Form 15G. Otherwise, leave these fields blank. In field number 19, under serial number, write 1. Under identification number, write your UN number. Under nature of income, write EPF. Under section, write 192A. Under amount of income, write the EPF amount, the same amount you have written in the field number 16. Next, you have to sign here at the signature of the declarant field. Next, come to the declaration of verification part. Here, write your name again. And next, come to the previous year ending on. The financial year 2025 to 2026 will end on 31 March 2026. So, you have to write it 31 March 2026. The year followed by the financial year is called the assessment year. It is 2026 to 2027. If you are submitting Form 15G before 31 March 2026, copy all these years like in this video. Next, you have to write the same years again. Previous year ending on is 31 March 2026 and the assessment year is 2026 to 2027. Next, mention the place in which you are residing, and next mention the date on which you are applying for the PF withdrawal. Next, at the signature of the declarant field, you have to again sign here. And this is part 2. You don't need to fill the part 2. It will be filled by the EPFO officer, but you have to upload both part 1 and part 2. That means both page 1 and page 2 while submitting form 19 on the UN member portal. So this is how to fill form 15G for PF withdrawal. Still, if you have any questions, ask them in the below comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to HR Cabin. Thank you.